Price TV. Subscribe now.
The Tesla Model X P100d is the lead in the Pioneer brand's SUV display extent. Be that as it may, for around $300,000 it would need to be great. So how can it stack up in everyday running? Tesla is an intriguing organization on a certainly fascinating way. It has an idea about the tech required to drag the engine auto into the following period of its improvement, yet it doesn't have 100 years of assembling to incline toward with regards to executing said engine autos. Likewise, in spite of the covering of the fan young men and young ladies, Tesla hasn't exactly worked out how to profit from assembling engine vehicles yet either. Which makes the 2017 Tesla Model X, the organization's first SUV stage, all the more intriguing. Straight up, this Tesla Model X P100d presumably isn't the one to purchase. Why? It's not modest. Truth be told, it's not even remotely reasonable in the general plan of things, with estimating beginning from $275,598 before on-street costs. Without a doubt, outrageous mode is an uproar, the initial couple of times. From that point forward, you will address whether the capacity of the P100d is extremely fundamental in a family SUV that is coordinated more at driving the children around town than winning, and commanding, races. The discretionary 6-Situate Lodge adds $8,300 to the cost, while the deep blue metallic paint on our analyzer includes $1,400, and the 22-inch Onyx black wheels are an eye-watering $7,600 option to the condition. That all raises the beginning cost to $292,898 before the standard pontoon of on-street costs. In principle at that point, you get a lot of standard pack and ability, yet at this finish of the evaluating range, discernment is an extensive piece of the purchasing condition. Nobody needs to purchase a $300,000 vehicle of any sort, SUV or something else. That doesn't stop individuals getting them in huge numbers however. Why? Identification, believability, status, assemble quality and the basic word, recognition. The entire early adopter hypothesis is something that interests me. Arranging to be the first to get another telephone you can stroll into the store and purchase on the recognized 7 days after the fact. Leaving the store on an auto you haven't seen, not to mention driven. Boasting about how your savvy is more exceptional than your mates. Strange. It's one thing to consume $1,200 on a cell phone that winds up being a glitchy lemon, however dropping countless dollars into something that doesn't exactly live up to your desires is an alternate issue completely. It's reasonable for accept most Tesla purchasers as of now still fit into the early adopter class, purchasers who need to advance beyond the bend, and drive the future before every other person. Also, if that is the principal diversion, and they require a family-accommodating SUV, at that point the Model X is the begin and wrap up. Nobody else is putting forth anything to coordinate the Tesla's futurist stage.